Yes, good morning, all of you. We are going through about electrochemical cells and the numericals, right? Some more problems from our Chaitanya material. Okay. Yeah, see, you consider page number 183. 183 page, right? Then 67th problem. 67th problem, I am saying. See, all these are previous NEET as well as the mains questions. Please consider them. Okay, so let us go through them now. 67th one for the following cell. For the following cell, Zn2 plus, the salt bridge, Cd2 plus Cd. Okay, this is the cell notation. Cell notation. E cell is equal to 0.30 volts and E naught cell it is equal to 0.36 volts. Then the value of Cd2 plus divided by Zn2 plus, it is how much? It is the answer. See now, this is the cell notation, salt bridge, and then LHS, left hand side, always anode, and this is cathode, right? E cell, that means some given conditions will be there. See, E cell, not standard conditions. Therefore, E cell 0.30, then E naught cell. So standard conditions, the value found as 0.36 volts. So now Cd2 plus concentration divided by Zn2 plus concentration. This is the question now. Okay. So now let me write down the cell reaction and all those. First, we have to write down Nernst equation, and further we have to derive this one, Cd2 plus divided by Zn2 plus, and that value is how much we have to take it. So therefore, let us see. Now the cell reaction we have to write. So cell reaction means what? It is combination of oxidation of reaction plus reduction of reaction, and then anode always oxidation takes place, cathode always reduction takes place. Therefore, see, now anode oxidation, let me write down the equation, that is Zn solid, Zn2 plus, right, plus 2 electrons. Then cathode reduction, always reduction, so that is Cd2 plus, right, plus 2 electrons gives rise to Cd solid. Now you please combine them, add both of them. So electrons get cancelled. But remember how many electrons are in transfer? 2. So it is a balanced equation, and in that balanced equation, the number of electrons in transfer are 2. Okay. So the net equation, let me take. So the net cell reaction. See, Zn solid plus Cd2 plus gives rise to, see, then Zn2 plus Cd solid. This is the net reaction. And then already E cell is given. E cell is 0.30 volts. E naught cell, it is 0.36 volts. Right? The Nernst equation for this. So the Nernst equation, how do you write? E cell, it is E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log products concentrations divided by reactants concentrations. Remember, anything kept in square bracket indicates molar concentration of that particular species. Anything kept in square brackets indicates molar concentration of that particular species. Is it not? So now this is the way. So therefore, let me write down those. E cell 0.30. It is equal to E naught cell 0.36. It is minus. See here only 0.059 approximately. I would like to take as 0.06. 0.059 approximately. I would like to take like this. Please remember, all of you students, while doing the competitive examination, suppose Avogadro's number is there, 6.022 into 10 power 23. So approximately 6 into 10 power 23. Very fast we take it and we do the calculations. Remember. Okay. And also, suppose for example, see the Faraday value is there, 1 farad. 1 farad means we say 96,500 coulombs. Is it not? 96,500 coulombs. Therefore, immediately that will be 96,500. Approximately 1 lakh or not, 10 power 5. So 10 power 5 we take it. Right? It is the way. That means the numerical ability. That is, whoever see more concentration and then see the speed and accuracy is most important. Right? You have to save the time there. Understand? Then see 0.06 by 2, because see the n value is 2. Number of electrons are in transfer are 2. That's why n is equal to 2. I have taken. Then log products by reactants. So products are like this. Products are like this. Please remember that is. Is it not? So Zn2 plus like this. Now here products means this. This is solid. Solid. What did I say? The molar concentration of a solid. Otherwise, active mass of a solid is taken as unity. Active mass of a solid is considered as unity. Is it not? So therefore, see, so we should not consider this. So we write like this: log Zn2 plus divided by then Cd2 plus. This is the way. Okay, then next one. See, another one. I'm saying another one. Another one. Remember, here minus sign is there. Minus. So, what is the answer you want? You want to have Cd2 plus by Zn2 plus. Cd2 plus by Zn2 plus. But here Zn2 plus by Cd2 plus. Let me write plus. This will be reversed. Is it not? So, see, or we can say 0.30. It is 0.36 minus 0.06 by 2 log then Cd2 plus divided by Zn2 plus. Right? Yeah, now let us see again. Point 0.03, that is. So 0.03 log Cd2 plus divided by Zn2 plus, it is equal to 0.36 minus 0.30. That is it not? So then log Cd2 plus divided by Zn2 plus, it is equal to point. So this is how much, man? 0.06 divided by 0.06. divided by 0.03. So this is how much? How much this is? 2. That is it not? 2. That is. So therefore, CD2 plus divided by Zn2 plus, it is equal to antilog of 2. Therefore, antilog of 2 is how much? 10 square. So it is the way, that is, remember. Okay, so logs and antilogs, I said you earlier also, logs and antilogs, right? The 10 powers, how they will be. So this is, take the screenshot. We can go to the next problem now. That is, okay. Just a minute, please. Yeah, here, one small disturbance is there. Have you observed this? R I have written. So still minus I have taken. What I should write? Plus. Is it not? Plus I should write. So therefore, it becomes as minus. That is. So therefore, see overall, how much that is? Minus 0.3 minus. Is it not? So therefore, what do you get? Minus means, so here, then minus, right? Then bar 2 minus 2. So here 0.01. Now you observe this. 0.059 approximately 0.06. So therefore we write like this as per the Nernst equation. Now this minus I would like to remove. So we can write like this. It is your wish. Okay. Yeah, then next one. See. Okay, this conversion also you should know. Please see. That is, let me send this side. What will happen? Minus. It is the way. Then let me send this minus this side as well as minus 0.3. Overall, therefore, you will get answer as minus 2. Then see, CD2 plus concentration by Zn2 plus concentration. Antilog of bar 2. So bar 2 is nothing but 10 power minus 2. How much it is? 0.01. That is 0.01. It is the way we do. You take the screenshot. We can proceed to the next problem now. Yes, next problem. Yeah, another one. Listen. Yes, another different one, and then see, especially for not for the NEET, actually, see, for IIT, it is important. Let us go through that. Page number 186. Page number 186. Page, right? The problem number 23. Because this is one important model. This one is must, that is actually, because this type of the model we did not discuss. So we have to go through it now. See, that is, yeah, go through the problem now, all of you. Given that E0 Mn plus 7 Mn plus 2 1.5 volts and E0 Mn plus 4 Mn plus 2, it is equal to 1.2 volts. 1.2 volts. Then E naught Mn plus 7 Mn plus 4 is dash. It is a question. Please observe this. This is a question mark. It is a question. So standard potential for this change plus 7 to plus 2, 1.5. Next one, standard potential for the change plus 4 to plus 2 is this much. Now plus 7 to plus 4 is how much? It is a question. It is the question. So therefore now here first PUC thermodynamics chapter, their chemical energetics part, there the equations adding, subtraction, that kind of concept we have to apply here. So let us take them. So let me write down all the changes. From that you will come to know. See now, the first one, this change. See, the change is like this. Mn plus 7 to Mn plus 2. Mn plus 2. Now here, can you tell me the difference, ma? Number of electrons in transport? Number of electrons in transport. Plus 7 to plus 2. So 5 electrons. Remember. Now for this, let me say E01. The value is 1.5 volts. 1.5 volts. And also here, one important thing. How many electrons are in transfer? 5 electrons. So N1 is equal 5. Please remember, N1 is 5. I am considering this as first one. Number of electrons in transfer 5. The difference in the oxidation states enough. E01 1.5. Next one, another one. Second change. Let me take. See, second change is plus 4 to plus 2. So Mn plus 4 to Mn plus 2. That is. So here the difference same. 2 electrons. Plus 4 to plus 2. 2 electrons. So again here also, let me say this is E02. It is equal to how much? 1.2 volts. And here number of electrons in transfer N2. That is N2 is say 2. Is it not? So from the given data we write like this. Now they are asking us to find out this one. So let me write down even that also. See, Mn plus 7 to Mn plus 4. What is the difference, ma? 3 electrons in transfer. So E0 3. Let me say the value you have to calculate. Understand? And let me say in this change number of electrons as 3. 3 electrons are there, na? 3. So now see, this is equation 3. This is equation 2. This is equation 1, equation 2. So therefore, remember now, see, equation 3 should be obtained from 1 and 2. Okay. So the equation 3 should be obtained from 1 and 2. I am saying 1 and 2. That is, let us see now 1 and 2. Therefore, here Mn plus 7 is in reactants. Where do you find this species? Here it is. Here also reactant. No problem. Next one. Mn plus 4. here product. Mn plus 4, here product. Is it not? Where is it? Here in equation 2 you are finding, but whereas it is in reactants. That means opposite to the required equation. This is the required equation. The third one is the required equation. But whereas the product Mn plus 4 is in products condition, but here reactants. So let us do like this. Let us reverse this reaction. Let us reverse, I am saying. Let us reverse. Therefore, so this one we can write like this. Mn plus 2 gives rise to Mn plus 4. Again, how many electrons are in transfer? 2. Same. Then E0 2, how much? Equation is reversed now. So the E0 value sign will be changed. Here it is plus, so minus 1.2 volts. Then as usual N2, how many electrons are in transfer? How many electrons are in transfer? I am not saying about how many gained or how many lost. Simply how many are in transfer. So now you consider this. That one you consider. So therefore, let us do like this. Let us add both of them. Let us add both of them. Then we get this equation. See one thing now here. Simply as such, the electrode potentials we should not add here. That is because, see, therefore delta G0 3, it is equal to delta G0 1 plus delta G0 2. Remember, delta G0, G means Gibbs free energy. Thermodynamics first year chapter. Gibbs free energy. So it is equal to sum of these two, the two equations. And then delta Z0 is equal to minus NF E0 cell. Delta Z0 is equal to minus NF E0 cell. So therefore, see now. So third one. So this equation. This one. So let me write that. See, minus N3 F E0 3, it is equal to minus N1 F E0 1. Okay, then plus minus N2 F E0 2. That's all. F cancelled. What is F there? 96,500. Both sides F is there now. It will be cancelled. So therefore now minus N3 means 3. E0 3, it is equal to minus N1 5 into 1.5. So 5 into 1.5. Then plus. Okay. Second one I am saying. So see, minus N2 F E0 2. So therefore minus, what is the N2 value? 2 into minus 1 point. So 2 into minus 1.2, that is. So therefore, how much it is? Now you see, this is minus 7.5. This is how much, man? Minus into minus, plus it becomes overall plus, and then say 2.4, it is equal to minus, right, 5.1 volts, minus 3 E0 3. Therefore E0 3, it is equal to overall minus cancel now, 5.1 by 3. That is. So see, this is, listen very carefully, very carefully. Even after the class also, afternoon, again you write down this and practice as many times, because the most important model is this. That is, please remember, important model I am saying, right? So you please take the screenshot for this. That is, yeah, Monica 1.7. Good one. Nice. See, one thing, earlier also I said you many times. See, nearly 1,000 members will be attending this in our IDs, Zoom IDs, different sections for different. One more thing, when class is going on, definitely other staff members, particularly here, and they will be going through the all the things. Even so, always continuously they will be checking is the voice is audible or not, even the board also clear or not. Because some of you mentioned that board is not clear like that. See, whenever it is not there, definitely immediately they will come and say. Just now they said, sir, see, actually that's our staff only. They said, sir, see, these letters are very, very small. Please maximize. Okay, like that they said. Of course, that's why. Please remember that is okay. So now let us go to the next problem. Let us go to the next problem. You please take the screenshot. Okay. Yes, important model. Remember. See, today these problems, and then tomorrow the conductance part I will start. The theory, that is. In this lesson, sign is most important, plus and minus, because the options they give like that only. 10 power minus 2, see 10 square, both of them will be available. So see the powers. Yes, next one. You come to the next one, ma. Yeah, a direct problem, that is, let us take it. See, this is earlier in the IELTS question, ma. Let us go through it. Yeah, you please note down page number 184. 184, page number, right? Third question. The last level. A button cell. A button cell used in watches. Watches functions as following. So that is Zn solid plus Ag2O solid plus H2O liquid. Okay. So 2Ag solid plus Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2OH minus aqueous. Okay. Half cell potentials are Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons gives rise to Zn2 plus Zn only. Okay, solid. For this, the standard potential SRP minus 0.76 volts. Then other one, Ag2O, H2O, 2 electrons, then 2Ag plus 2OH minus aqueous. So here E0 is 0.34 volts. The cell potential will be, that is, the cell potential will be, see, generally any cell, we need minimum of 2 electrodes to construct it, is it not? We need two electrodes to construct a cell. Now here also the button cell is constructed. This is the cell reaction. This is the cell reaction. You please see. This is the cell reaction. Please remember. Cell reaction, that is cell reaction. So what we can say, as per cell reaction, anode. What is anode? Zinc electrode. Zinc electrode. Remember, zinc electrode. Then cathode. Silver electrode. Silver electrode is the cathode. So next question, sir, how do you say that it is anode and it is cathode? How can we find out that it is particularly anode and it is particularly cathode? Very simple. At anode, which reaction takes place? Oxidation. So now you observe the equation. Zinc 0 plus 2. 0 to plus 2. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Therefore, zinc electrode is acting as anode. Next one, silver. This is plus 1. This is 0. Oxidation state. Therefore, plus 1 to 0. Reduction. So, silver electrode is cathode. So, therefore, see what is the formula we have? E0 cell is equal E0 cathode minus E0 anode. Is it not? E0 cathode minus E0 anode. So, see the E0 cell, that is E0 cathode. What is cathode? Silver. 0.34 minus of minus 0.76. It is 1.1 volts. This is already see previously All India Medical Exam, PMT exam. There they asked this. Generally, when the equations are like this, see, whenever the problem is big and whenever the problem is very big and a big equation is given, the children's mentality will be afraid of those. Need not worry. See, nothing will be there. Whenever till now I have observed now, when the problem is very big, actually the meaning, the written part, the solution will be very simple. Right? A small one only always will be, see, troubling us. Remember. Okay? So now this is the way. That is, this is the way. So this is answer. So now you take the screenshot for this. Take the screenshot. Yeah, see, Bharat, Ray, you have asked, it seems, the 68%. It is given wrong mark. Need not worry. Okay? The solubility product. So 68%. That is, the data is not given properly. That's why you don't get it. Okay, you please strike off that percent. Okay, Bharat? Understood now? That one is actually similar model to 65th question. 65th is the same. Actually, that should be repeated. Instead, see, they have given wrongly. Need not worry. Yes, next one, ma'am. The next one. Listen. Listen. Yeah, I'm going to rub it. Yes, listen. Now, some values are given. See, some values are given. See, listen. Question number, page number same, 185. 185, right? Page number. Question number 17. See, they have given electrodes. Electrodes A, B, C, D. Actually, I'm not writing the complete one. Okay, simply the electrodes. Electrodes A, B, C, D. Their SRP values. SRP values minus 0.762 volts, volts plus 0.74, 0.0, 2.87. The question is strongest reducing agent. Strongest reducing agent. Okay. Whenever the values are given, and then you will be asked to find out strongest reducing agent, strongest oxidizing agent. Like that, the questions will be there. For that, earlier, while explaining the electrochemical series, I have mentioned like this: fluorine, is it lithium, then hydrogen, fluorine. So fluorine electrode, oxygen electrode, and lithium electrode. See, highest SRB is with fluorine. Right? How much? Already say 2.87 only, plus 2.87. Need not worry about the values. What did I say? I said you to know. Just which one is having highest, which one is having lowest. Fluorine, non-metal. The non-metals, what kind of tendency they will have? Non-metals always gaining electrons. So non-metals gaining electrons always. So they are strong oxidizing agents. Non-metals are strong oxidizing agent. So therefore, highest SRP, strong oxidizing agent. Least SRP, strong reducing agent. So therefore, you please remember, see, in this one, the question is, see, strongest reducing agent. That is the question. Now, what is the clue I said? See, what is the clue I said now? The oxidizing property directly proportional to SRP. Right? Then reducing property inversely proportional. Among them, what is the lowest value? Lowest value is first one. Is it not? First one. So that is the strongest reducing agent. Right? Then remember in that way. This is right. So this is another model. So remember, yes, next questions. Then among all models are covered from electrochemical cells. The next one, see, one more problem. See, suppose, see, page number 155. Page number 155. Page number 155. Okay. 155. There, the question is, they have given, see, question number 22. Question number 22. E naught Zn2 plus Zn minus 0.77 volts. Then see E value for electrode containing 0.01 m Zn2 plus solution. So this is the question. What is the Nernst equation given for metal electrode? So for metal or hydrogen electrode, Nernst equation is what do you write now? Nernst equation. So we write like this: E naught plus 0.059 by 2 log m n plus. That is. So therefore, E it is equal to E naught minus 0.77 plus 0.059 by 2 log of 10 power minus 2. That is okay. 10 power minus 2. Log 10 power minus 2 is how much? Minus 2 log 10. Otherwise, minus 2. That is. So therefore, it is minus 0.77 plus 0.059 by 2 into minus 2. That is. So 2 get cancelled. So minus 0.77 minus 0.059 volts. So you simplify and see the answer. That is. So this is the another one. So remember, that is another question one. Go through it. Right. So these are the important models from electrochemical cells. All the problems are covered. Okay. So tomorrow the other concept in our electrochemistry lesson, that is conductance, a new part. So tomorrow I am going to start that one, conductance. Okay. Actually the conductance is physics part, but anyhow with the chemistry touch we are going to take it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have you a safe day.